Hey everyone, are you tired of slow websites, confusing cPanel dashboards, and supports that takes forever to get back to you? If you are a blogger or an agency or a business owner, you know how crucial a fast, reliable, and easy to manageable website is. For years, I have been a mission to find out the perfect hosting solutions, and that is what led me to take a deep dive into the Cloudways. So now, a full disclosures. I'm not a long-term user, but I have extremely researched and tested this platform from a user perspective. In this video, I'm going to share my honest, unbiased reviews Cloudways, and I will tell you exactly who is for, and maybe even more importantly, who is not for. So part 2, we are going to see the problem and solutions. So most of us start on a cheap SAD hosting plan, and while that's fine for a small blocks, you quickly hit the wall. So your sites get slow and it can't handle the traffic spike, and you spend the more time dealing with the technical issues than growing your business. This is where Cloudway comes in. It's not your average hosting, it's a manageable cloud hosting platform. So now you what does means simple terms. It means you will get all the power and speed of top cloud providers like Digital Oceans, AWS, and Google Clouds, but without any of the technical headaches. Cloudway handles all the server management, security, and updates for you. It is the best of both worlds, raw power and incredible easy of use. So part 3, we are going to see the core features. So what makes Cloudway so compelling? Let me walk you through the top reasons I would choose them. 1. Blazing fast performance. This is the number one reason to switch. Cloudways infrastructure is optimized for speed with built-in catching like awareness and Redis. I have seen countless speed tests and benchmarks, and the results are incredible. So faster loading times means higher SEO ranking. So it's a better user experience and ultimately more sales. This is very important. So unbelievable simplicity. Second, unbelievable simplicity. Forget about the cPanel. The Cloudway dashboard is a clean and intuitive. You can launch a new WordPress sites in just a few clicks. It is perfect for both beginners who are intimidated by the technical sites and the agency that needed to manage multiple sites with ease. So third, scalability on demand. This is a game changer. What if your site goes viral? With the traditional hosting, you'd crash. With the Cloudways, you can scale your server resources up and down with a single clicks. You only pay for what you use, so you are ready to for any traffic spike without paying for an expensive plan. You don't need 24/7. 4. Bulletproof security. Cloudway takes security seriously. They have a dedicated firewalls, regular security patching, and a free SSL certificate for every sites. You can finally stop worrying about the hacks. You can focus on your content only. So it's a great one. So fifth one is 24/7 expert supports. This is just huge. Cloudways offers 24/7 live chat support with the expert who actually know what they are doing. No more generic copy paste reply. They are there to help you when you need it most. That is very important. So next we are going to see the honest pros and cons in part 4. So now no hosting is perfect. So let's talk about the pros and cons I have found in this. So pros: 1. Incredible speed and performance. 2. Highly scalable and pay as you go pricing. Third, user friendly dashboard, no cPanel. So fourth, excellent customer supports. So fifth, free sites migration to get you started. So these are the excellent things in the pros. So now we are going to see cons. The pricing model can be a little different from the what you are used to. It is pay as you go, so you are not getting a fixed annual prices. So while this is great for flexibility, it is something to be aware of. So email hosting is an add-on. Second thing, Cloudway focus purely on high performance web hosting. So you will need to use third-party email service like a Rackspace, which is actually a great thing for deliverability, but it is an extra step. But it is okay, it is not a much harder. So we are coming to the video end part. So here is my verdict. If you are serious about your websites and you are ready to upgrade from the slow, unreliable hosting to a truly powerful and manageable solutions, Cloudway is my top recommendation for you. And to make this an absolutely no-brainer for you, Cloudway is offering free 3-day trial, so you can test the water and see the speed for yourself with no credit card requirement. So it is a very important. I think you should try it once, then only you can experience what you have. So if you are ready to see the difference Cloudway making for your websites, I have put a special affiliate link down in the description below. So click that link. Not only get you access to their amazing hosting, but also support this channel. I can keep making valuable content for you guys. So don't forget it. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free trial and see for yourself how fast your website can be. So genuinely I'm telling you, try it. So if you have any question, drop them in comment below. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.